What's going on, guys? Sean here. In this one, I'm going to be showing you Zillow Virtual Tours, the free alternative to Matterport and many other virtual tour softwares, and we are starting right now. What's going on, guys? If you haven't yet, stop, go to our YouTube channel, click subscribe, and click that little bell too, so you get notifications whenever we post a new video. You will be the first person to know. Thank you so much for the support, and now the video you've been wanting to watch. All right, guys, so Zillow Virtual Tours, this is something I came across a couple weeks ago. It may be new to you, it may not be new to you, but this is a free virtual tour software that you definitely need to know for your listings. So first and foremost, this video is just going to cover what this is, how you go about getting the app on your phone, syncing it with your account, and then actually getting free virtual tours for your listings, right? So what you want to do is go to zillow.com/z/3D home, and it's really cool. It can have Zillow text you the app so you can then download it. So I just had it sent to my phone. I'm going to wait for it to send it to me. Cool. So I just got it. Just got that app. Now I can download it on the phone. And just to show you guys what exactly we're working with here, again, it's free to use, really easy to create. And like I always say, listings with 3D homes, I mean, I say this to them blue in the face, really. You know, they get two times really doesn't even do it justice. It's more like 3 or 4 or 5 times the amount of views than a normal listing would get without a virtual tour, right? That's why they're so powerful. They're so powerful. All right. So once you have everything synced up on the app, what you want to do is, obviously you can use your iPhone to shoot this. This is kind of the whole point. I would say if you guys have a 7, I would upgrade to that. Maybe get an 8 or a 9. That's my minimum. Now, I am just a quality nut. I want everything to be, perfect and just have the best quality possible. So if you're rocking with an iPhone 7, you're balling on a budget, you might be able to suffice with that. But I would definitely recommend getting a newer version of that phone, of an iPhone. Like I said, an 8 or a 9 would definitely be a little bit better, just because I've had the 7 and I've actually tried shooting with these Zillow Virtual Tours, and it just doesn't come out right. It doesn't come out right. I don't like the quality that I have, so that's why I want to upgrade. And again, you're not thinking about it for yourself. You're thinking about it for your customers, for your clients. You want to show off the property. If you're dealing with the seller and you come to them with the virtual tour that looks like crap, it's like, what the hell are you going to do? And no one's going to buy this. You know what I mean? No one is going to buy this property. So you need to think about your customers and your clients for sure. All right. So once you get everything set up here, this is just kind of a tutorial on how to go about shooting these large to small rooms or small to large rooms. You're going to see, guys, and this is something I don't necessarily like, but you're going to have one panoramic image per location. Okay, so let me show you exactly what I mean by that. You can see one of my buddies sent me this virtual tour right here, and now I'm outside of the front yard. But as you can see, I'm only allowed one 360 pano per location. You can see there's a lot of locations here, but unlike Matterport, there's only one thing, so you can't walk around like like you have a million scans and the property. You can just click, which again, it does its job. I mean, it definitely suffices, right? You can show off the property. This is free. So again, if you're balling on a budget, this isn't necessarily the best thing. I would just say if you have the budget, obviously shameless plug, you want to go with a professional virtual tour provider who does this for a living. Okay. Your job as the realtor is to help the buyer or seller. Our job as the marketers is to help sell the property. Okay. So with that said, that's pretty much what it looks like. Again, it's not a bad thing at all. I mean, it's a free software. It's a free app. How cool is that? All right. So again, all you need to do is just add in these locations, and then for adding additional rooms, if you just want to show off maybe the living room, which I wouldn't, I would just show off everything. The person who shot this, Raylon, did a really bang up job of not only capturing the inside, but the exterior as well, showing off the front porch, backyard, all that stuff. And then when you're finished, guys, all you need to do is tap done so it syncs within your account, and then hit finish. And as you can see right here, a tour with 10 to 20 panos. We're talking about a house that's maybe, I don't know, like 1,500, 2,000 square feet. That's really what we're working with. It should process within 4 hours. So you'll see that within 4 hours on your listing. Okay. And then, like I say, edit and share after it's processed, just making sure, it's working correctly. It's exactly what you put in. That's why I say you want to upgrade to the new iPhone, or to an upgraded, maybe an iPhone 8 or 9, because once you see it, you're like, oh man, that doesn't really look right. Maybe you shot them correctly. Maybe you were, maybe you had a tripod and you did everything correctly, but maybe the camera quality just isn't up to par, right? You need to think about that. So I would definitely check before you 100% post it out and make it live to your buyers and sellers and anyone who wants to check it out. And then that's it. You're going to get a link. I don't even know if you get an embedded code. I don't think so, but you can post it on Redfin, MLS, Realtor, social media, and just get the word out there and help your listing get found. So with that said, guys, a little quick video for you. If you enjoyed this video, if you got any value out of it, please smash that like button, hit subscribe. I love making these videos for you. And with that said, we will see you next time. Thank you for watching.